Alright, we got the Breeze Contempo installed in my Roblox house in Little Havana. As you probably don't know, this is my newest ceiling fan to my collection. As you can tell, it's on the wall control. Let's start this fan off from low. This fan is located in the basement hallway of my Little Havana Roblox house. So you can tell this fan is running just fine. Pretty cool, but pretty cheap at the same time. I remember when these fans were sold back at Lowe's back then. As you know, low speed's pretty fast, but it's moving a decent breeze. Medium speed, so you can tell the fan runs very, very good for being something cheap from a Breeze product. But I mean, it looks good, nice in this house. It's on a pretty cool ceiling install, as you can see. Get a good side view of it. Reversible from rosewood to medium oak. And we're just gonna turn this up. High speed. Not a bad remover, but you know, it's a pretty cheap fan, so as you can tell, it's a nice looking fan for what it is, but definitely I've seen worse. But I guess I'll turn it off. That pull chain. As you can see, the light works. As you can tell, it's on the wall control, so I'm gonna make this very quickly with the factory. And low speed's a bit faster with the pull chain than it is with the wall control. Very nice looking fan. Medium. As you can see, that works just fine. High speed with the wall control. As you can tell, it's a nice looking fan. It's very quiet. And that's it with the Breeze Contempo.